ABT presents A1 Level Conversations. The Family Tree, a Colorful Story.
Hello, everyone. My name is Alex, and I want to show you something very special to me, my family tree. It is a big and colorful drawing, and it is all about my family. I love my family, and I love this picture. At the top, we have my grandparents. This man is my grandfather, and this woman is my grandmother. My grandfather is wearing a brown shirt, and my grandmother is wearing a green dress. They are old, but they have a lot of energy. They have 3 children. My father is one of them. My mother has a beautiful red dress in the picture. She is a teacher, and my father is a doctor. They are very busy, but they always have time for us. My father has 1 sister and 1 brother. His brother's name is Leo. He is my uncle, and his sister's name is Sophia. She is my aunt. My brother Charlie is very fun. He is a tall boy, and he loves sports. My sister Susan, she is very kind. She is a very intelligent girl, and she loves to read books. And then there's me. So in my family tree, we are all together. We are one big family. My grandfather and grandmother are at the top, and my brother, my sister, and I are at the bottom. The colors in the drawing are very important because they represent everyone. The brown color is for the boys, so my grandfather, my father, my brother, and me, we are wearing brown. The red is for my mother, and the green is for my grandmother and my sister. The black shirt is for me. The yellow is for my uncle and my aunt. What a happy family! I am very proud of my family. My family is amazing, and I am a lucky boy.
Now, let's practice. In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our website or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.